Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be trying AOA Studio. It's a brand also called Miss A. And basically, it's this makeup brand that everything on the website is $1. I've been looking at this brand for a few years and I haven't really bought anything from it yet until now. I don't know, I just never felt like spending $1 on makeup. I was like, let me see if it's good. So I'm starting off with my eye makeup already done because I was struggling with it. The lashes are from AOA. The style is Nora. Most of the eyelashes are sold out right now. I don't know when they restock. I don't know how long they usually take to restock because I've never bought from them before, but the reason that I heard of them is this thread on Twitter that was like a bunch of places to get makeup for cheap. AOA was one of them. It's called Miss A or AOA, I can't tell. And their lashes are $1 and they were basically showing that they have good lashes for $1. So I bought the lashes and I also bought the Lash Glue because I didn't have any. And I'm trying this new thing where I glue my eyelids up so that I can have more space to do liner and stuff that I want on my eyes because my eyelids are very small. So I glued it up and I can tell you right now, this eyelash glue is mad strong. Like for $1.55, like it's like holding my whole eyelid up. Like I know you could see that. I'm still learning how to put lashes on. So if they look wrong, that's not because of them. So another thing I bought from them was a Kabuki brush, and I've been inspired by on Vogue and stuff. The Kardashians, when they do their makeup, they always use a Kabuki brush from MAC, and I was like, let me try that. Like I've never used a Kabuki brush to put my foundation on before. So this is not from MAC. It was $1 on Miss A, so I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Doing Smooth foundation in shade 120 because that's my shade. I'm just gonna try to see if it will give me more coverage than my regular sponge would. Okay, then literally I can already say like it looks better. It's really soft. Like I did not expect it to be this like good quality. It's synthetic too. Like this is worth more than $1. That I really liked because I only had to use one layer. Usually with the sponge that I use, when I use that Maybelline foundation, I have to put like 3 layers of it because the coverage is not enough for me, but that covered like everything. I really love this brush. I probably will use it every day now. The next thing I wanted to try from them was this velvet sponge. It doesn't say velvet, it says microfiber, but when you look at the pictures, you can tell that the texture's like different. For like a year now, I've been seeing like these sponges on Instagram. I think I've seen James Charles use it. I've seen Jenny69 use it. These velvet sponges, and apparently like they don't absorb anything, but it does say to wet it, and I wet it and it got bigger, but it feels really dry. It absorbs like 70% less makeup than a regular sponge would. And I used to use a Real Technique sponge, and I like the way it blended stuff out, but for like foundation and stuff, I had to do so many layers because it would just soak up everything so easily. The Sem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer in shade 1.5, I always use this concealer. It's like $3 on yourself. I have never seen something blend like this before. This is mad good because I like mad like airbrush, and like I literally have never seen any other products blend my concealer like this. Like it looks so like smooth. No, this was like $1.55. Like that's crazy. But the fact that people be paying so much for these sponges, like I've seen velvet sponges for like $20. This is like not even $2. You should buy this one. The last thing that I bought from them that I'm gonna be trying today is the Fruity Pop flavor lip gloss. I got the mango flavor. This was $1, so we're gonna see if it is good. I'm gonna put it over a lip tint. Yo, wait a minute, because this smells mad good. It tastes like watermelon candy. I'm gonna finish my face off camera and come back and tell you my final thoughts. Now that I'm done with my makeup, honestly, this brand is fire. For everything being less than $2, and I use this brush, it literally covered everything so fast in one layer. Like I always have to use like 3 layers. I literally have never had my skin look so smooth. Like this made me look airbrushed. Like I've never had my skin look so smooth before. Like I looked so clear. The only thing I didn't show really was the lashes, but I have the lashes on right now. I really like them. I just have to learn how to put lashes on. The Lash Glue, this is the one I got. They also have like a black one. It was strong enough to literally hold my eyelids up. A lot of other cheap eyelash glues I've used before haven't really kept my lashes on, and they usually like get in my eye and are really itchy and stuff, but this one wasn't a problem at all. The lip gloss, honestly, I gotta say, was my least favorite thing. It smells like mango at first, but then you start tasting like chemical. Like obviously it's like fragrance, but like it tastes like fragrance. Like, it doesn't taste like the flavor that it's supposed to taste like anymore after like 2 minutes. This brand literally was so fire, and it needs to be recognized more, because there is no reason for people to be selling these for $20 if you could buy it for $2 and it literally makes it look beautiful. Like, this was not good. And the brush too, I really liked. They have like a set of Kabuki brushes, and I think I'm gonna buy it because it's only $10 and this brush was like amazing. So that's all I have to say about them. Honestly, this just shows that you don't need a lot of money to get snatched if you just know the right websites. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like this, subscribe and share it with your friends.